Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain how you can make asynchronous calls to JavaScript language or how you can implement asynchronous communication in the JavaScript. In JavaScript, asynchronous calls are fundamental for performing the operations that may take time to complete, like fetching the data from server or reading the files or some time consuming tasks. In JavaScript high level, there are three approaches. First one is the callback, second one is the promise, third one is the await or async. So first let us look at the what are the callbacks. So using the callbacks is a traditional way to handle the asynchronous operations. Here functions accept a callback function as an argument to execute once the operation completes or an error occurred. Now if you see here, this is the function and here we have the fetch data. Now once this particular callback function is completed, then it is going to execute this particular code. The second one is the promise. So promise provides a more structured way to handle asynchronous operations and allow chaining multiple asynchronous calls together. So here in this particular function fetch data, we are going to use the promise, and once this particular promise is getting executed, now what you can do is this fetch data, you can basically perform certain chaining operations, and also it provides a flexibility to handle the exception in case if there are any failures. Whereas in the case of callbacks, it's not that much straightforward to basically handle the asynchronous call. But promises provides the greater flexibility in terms of achieving the asynchronous calls and also handling any error in case of this particular asynchronous result into failure. And third one is the async and await. This is particularly available in the ES6 plus version onwards, which is ECMAScript 6 plus version. This is available. So here what we are going to do is we are going to define these particular functions with the async keyword, and await keyword provide a more synchronous looking way to write the asynchronous code while leveraging the promise. Now if you look at here, it is almost we are similarly using how we have implemented the promise. Same way we are using here for the async. So we are defining this particular function with async keyword, and then whenever you are basically calling, then here you are going to see await and then fetch data. So await is going to wait until this particular promise is ready, and then it is going to wait until this particular process complete or failure. So in case of any failure, anyhow you can go ahead and handle this particular exception. So these are the three ways you can handle asynchronous calls in the JavaScript. Callback functions using the promise and then using the async and await keywords. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.